Hey guys, how are you? Today is Tuesday, May 30th. I got temu! So the first thing I got was this cute little pen holder. I got two of them, actually. So yeah, what it does is it goes like this and like that, and it's so cute. So you can even put your diamond painting pens in this. Where is my other one that I had? I'm gonna put you. So I put my wax in there, and I got a couple pens in there. This one I put the multi-placers in and a couple extra wax. And that's what they look like. So yeah, they were really cute. Okay, so the next thing I got were these. These are for making bracelets. They are so pretty. This is a pen holder, too. As soon as I can get. It's a tulip. It's one of my favorite flowers. You put your pens in it. I don't think I have any other extra. Yes, I do. See? And I'll go right there with my other one. So I moved my diamond painting area onto this side because it'll give me more room. So this is a diamond painting. Ooh. It's packed in my favorite packaging. It's already all kitted up. This one's so pretty. There's no gunk on it like the last one, so I am very impressed. Very, very, very impressed. So I'll flip you around. Oh, that is what it looks like. There's yeah, no, I was wrong. There is a gunk on this one. Unbelievable. That's twice now. But that's just the key part of it. At least there's none on the canvas itself. So it's a pretty beach one. Again, it's 23 colors and it's a 30 by 40. But like I said, the canvas part does look really good. And then here are all the colors. So that is everything. Thank you guys so much for watching. And if you like those 3 other things that I bought as well, check out on Temu. Alrighty, I'll catch you guys later. Bye guys.